Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we're driving west on Hagley Park Road towards 3 miles. Turning off Hagley Park Road onto Terence Avenue. On the right is Lannaman's Preparatory School. Terence Avenue ends here and we are turning onto Montgomery Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.